Good morning, dear student. We are solving activity third, grammar. Past perfect tense is to be read. Dear student, past perfect tense is used to indicate that an action was completed at the same point of time before another action took place in the past. Dear student, example: the patient had died before the doctor came. Next, when I entered the room, the thief had already escaped. Dear student, this tense is used to indicate that an action was completed in the some point of time. And this tense refers to an action or process that has been completed in the past time. In a simple sentence, we never use the past perfect tense. Dear student, you keep in mind, simple sentence we never use the past perfect tense unless it contains adverbs like already, before, never, still, etc. Dear student, affirmative sentence pattern subject head plus past participle और verb की third form. We had reached home before it rained. The train had started before I reached the station. She had read her book before she went to bed. Ram went to school after he had learnt his lesson. Rule: dear student, the singular as well as plural subject take had as helping verb followed by the past participle form of the verb. Negative sentence. Dear student, negative sentence subject had not plus with her. I had not seen this house before. Negative sentence. The patient had not died before the doctor came. The thief had not run away before the police came. The teacher had not finished the course before the examination began. Negative sentence not is used past is used after the helping verb had. Interrogative sentence had plus subject plus without plus it and interrogative mark. Had the bell rang before I reached the school? Had they taken their tea before the sun rose? Had we not reached the bus stand before the bus started? How many children had gone to bed before the sun set? Which song had the girls sung before we came? Why had you written a letter before I went to bed? What did the patient eat after the doctor had gone? These are the इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट, आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? रूल नंबर फर्स्ट, हैड इज़ यूज्ड इन द बिगिनिंग एंड बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. रूल नंबर टू, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बिगिनिंग विथ ए क्वेश्चन वर्ड लाइक हैड फॉलोड बाय द सब्जेक्ट एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रूल नंबर एडजेक्टिवल क्वेश्चन वर्ड लाइक हाउ मेनी, हाउ मच, विच टेक देयर रिलेटेड प्रोनाउन विद them before had. Next, to make interrogative negative sentences, not is used after the subject. Mark of interrogation is put at the end of the sentence. Students, rule number first, when two inner related actions happen in the past, one after the other, then the action that took place before is mentioned in the past perfect tense. The other action which took place later on is expressed using the past indefinite tense. To connect such sentences, conjunctions like before, when, after, till, until, etc. are used. For example, they had practiced before they did it. They had worked very hard before he finally won. He went out after the rain had stopped. Dear student, in this sentence, the action that took place before is mentioned in the past perfect tense. You can see they had practiced. He had worked very hard. And in the next sentence, after the rain had stopped. Dear student, in rule first, some structures are given. First, fast, we can say generally the past perfect tense is used in some sentence after the word after. Dear student, after the word is used in the sentence. Past indefinite tense is used before, after, and after past perfect tense. And if the word after is at beginning, the past perfect tense plus past indefinite tense. For example, after the rain had stopped, he went out. He went out after the rain had stopped. Next, past perfect tense before plus past indefinite tense. Before past indefinite tense, past perfect tense. Dear student, normally the clause following the word before is mentioned in the past indefinite tense. Indefinite tense. Dear student, for example, he had been the ball before he ate. Before he ate, he had seen the ball. Dear student, structure number 3, with the till or until the past perfect tense is used, then the past indefinite tense follows. For example, he did not mourn more until I asked him. Thank you.